everyone, here is a quick video on how to make a lazy daisy flower. It is helpful to begin by drawing 2 circles. Trust me, it's amazing how quickly your stitches can go astray when you don't mark these circles, and I will link the marker below that I like to use for marking. So the outside circle is how big the overall flower is going to be, while the inside circle is that area that'll be filled with like a French knots or, you know, a button or beads, whatever, for the center of your flower. And I'm working with 1 strand of floss, but you can work with as many as you'd like to. So begin by coming up on the inside circle and then going over a few threads and then out to the outside circle. And make sure your thread is behind your needle and then pull your needle through. It is as simple as that. Just continue this process until you have the entire flower filled. And then, like I said, add some French knots or beads, maybe a small button would be cute, whatever you'd like to for the center of your flower, and you have a lazy daisy flower. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. As always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.